Hey you! Ready to create your own style? So let's go! 3 simple steps to your own tattoo! Fill the ink pad with 3/4 of the tube. By the way, close the pad after each stamp session. Now just wait 30 minutes so the color can spread evenly. Then clean your skin gently. Pick up your motif, roll the stamp over the ink pad, and rolling quickly onto your skin. Just wait 8 seconds for the tattoo to dry. Decorate as you like. Our liners come in different shades. Shake them before every use. Colorize your tattoo or just mark some little extras onto your skin. You want more? Pimp up your style with your adhesive rhinestones. Place them on your skin and press them twice. Your artwork is completely waterproofed. Looks so good, doesn't it? To remove, you just need to take off the rhinestones and then only apply makeup remover or baby oil. Let's discover the temporary tattoos together! LaDot, temporary tattoos.